Do you want to earn up to 100,000 naira in a week on PalmPay? Then this video is for you. So, hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So, in this video, we'll be talking about a PalmPay travel update. So, this is a travel and share update. You are going to share in worth of 400 million, and also you have there are six spots for people to travel. Six people will be choosing to travel, some to London, some to Dubai. And so the round one, I posted a video on the 23rd, I attached it up. So once you see the video, I talked about everything you needed, but this video I'm going to be talking more depth information I didn't get the first time. So if you did the first one, you can go over to the tab and claim the cash you got. Okay, so one world card was about 1,192 naira, so that's a lot, and world cards are very rare. So start working now, because round 2 starts from today. It has already started since 12 p.m. and it's going to end on the 31st, like 8 a.m. The people that what you want would have been sent to you alongside the lucky link. So if you have not joined lucky link of PalmPay, where you can get 7,000 naira per referral, click on the top right corner and then you see a link so that you can join the lucky link. You can get 7,000 naira per referral, and also you that are joining, you can get from 300 to 7,000 naira airtime, cash, any bonus. So you just claim your cash to already be deposited in your account. Now round 2 is available now, and this is what I want to talk about. So first of all, you can swap your cards with friend. Once you have any card, you can swap it with friend. Mind you, London is the most rarest card. I repeat, London is the most rarest card. It's very hard to get it, but the rest you can get them easily. You can ask card from friends, and if you want to swap to friend, you just click on you send to friend to give you a code. But if you want to redeem card, that means you have a friend that sent you a card, click on redeem, then put in the card ID and redeem the card. Okay, so you put in the card ID and you get a free redeem of the card. So we have London, we have Dubai. These are the cards. So the cards will give you the opportunity to get cards. There are different tags. There's share activity, refund new hours, upgrade to tier 3, get to ATM card, different tags. And also I want to tell you guys something. The ones that are showing there, right? It doesn't mean that they are going to give you rare bonuses. No, it just means that you have a high chance of getting a rare card, which is the London. Okay, so let me show you a task. Let's take this visit card page, click on go. As you can see, this is gift card. Okay, so it showed me a notification. I sent a notification that I've done it. So once you do a task, you get an opportunity to get a card. When you get a card, it will give you a random card. Then once you have gotten one of each card, you can get more of the others or even more of London. You click on merge cards. Ensure you merge your cards to a world coin, because if they are not a world card, you won't be able to enter for the giveaway. Okay, and from what we saw from the first time, it depends on the price per word card. If a word card is 500, if you have up to 10, you have gotten 5,000. No, not 5,000, 50,000. So you see, it's the word card that determines how much you get. I'm sure my calculation might be wrong because I'm going to record it, but anyhow, you guys will understand what I'm talking about. So that's word card. So basically, this is all you need to do. Round 3 starts from 31st of December to January 8th, and mind you, the rewards have reduced. It was 180 million, now it's 120 million. And also, for you to get a travel ticket, you have to be the top 2 users with the most transactions per round. Okay, you can see it here. So if you are able to transact close to 10, 20, 30 or 50 million, I know some people can do that. If you're able to transact up to that per round, then you get a high chance of being one of the users that get a free travel ticket. So it is not by random. Travel ticket is not by random. It's already a list of people, the best 2 people, you get a travel ticket. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys see more videos like this, please hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn the notification to get notified when I upload new content like this. Merry Christmas, because I created this video on the 25th of December 2025. I want to see you guys in the next video. Adios.